My friend, today I am going to start the second lesson quadratic equation from part 1. First, the standard form of quadratic equation. See here, standard form or general form. Standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a comma b comma c are real number and a is not equal to 0, then the equation is quadratic equation. Here the equation having one variable, and second thing, the maximum index of variable is 2, then that is the quadratic equation. Just like x minus 2 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Prime facie, this is not quadratic equation because here the variable having power 1, but after solution means simplification, here given 2 bracket means we can multiply 2 brackets. See here, x into x, then x square, again x into minus 3, minus 3x. Second thing, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, then equal to 0. Now x square, here minus 3x, minus 2x, then minus 5x, plus 6 equal to 0. Now see here, this is all conditions satisfied for quadratic equation. Here having variable x is a single variable and the maximum power of variable is 2. Therefore x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 is quadratic equation. We can form many examples that is quadratic equation, just like 2x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0, and so on. 3x square plus 9x minus 3 equal to 0. But here the coefficient of x square is not equal to 0. That is very important. Now second thing, the compare equation with standard form and find the value of a, b and c. Just like see here, if given equation is 2x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Now compare equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then here the coefficient of x square is here a, and the coefficient of x square is in given equation is 2. Then a equal to 2. Second thing, the coefficient of x means middle term or variable term is b, and here coefficient of variable term is 5. Then here b equal to 5 and constant term c equal to minus 6. Means after comparison we can find the value of a, b and c. And second thing, if the given equations are not in standard form, then first simplify the equation and convert in standard form and compare that. Just like x minus 1 by x equal to 6. See here, we can multiply a same number or a term by each number or both sides. See here, multiply x by each term. Then here we get x into x plus x into 1 by x equal to x into 6. means here multiplying each term by x. That is equation we can multiply. Now here x into x is x square plus x and x are cancelled. Then just remain here 1 equal to x into 6 is 6x. Therefore, we got the equation x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. This is in standard form. Then we can compare equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now the value of a equal to 1, value of b equal to minus 6 and value of c equal to 1. अशा प्रकारे आपण a, b आणि c ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. Now decide the given equation is quadratic equation, yes or no. Then first observe the given equation, just like x cube plus 3x square minus 2 equal to 0. See here, observe this example. Here equation having only variable. This condition is satisfied, but second condition is that the the index of variable is 2, but here the largest index is 3. Therefore, that is not quadratic equation. We can write here equation having one variable, but the maximum index of variable is not equal to 2. Therefore, the given equation is not quadratic equation. Now next point is determine whether the value of given against of the equation are the roots of the equation. First, what is the meaning of roots? Those value of x are satisfied the both side of equation, that is the roots of equation. Means first substitute the given value in LHS and we get the value is equal to RHS, then that is the roots of equation. See here, first here x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 is first equation. Putting x equal to 1 in LHS of equation 1. Therefore, LHS equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. LHS means before equal to substitute the value of x equal to 1. Then here 1 square plus 4 in bracket 1 minus 5. 1 square is equal to 1 plus 4 minus 5 equal to 5 plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0 equal to RHS. Means x equal to 1 satisfied both side, means LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, x equal to 1 is roots of the given equation. Now determine for second value x equal to minus 1. Same, putting x equal to minus 1 in LHS of equation 1. Again LHS equal to, see here x square means minus 1 bracket square. Here very important, minus 1 then write in bracket -1 bracket square plus 4 in bracket -1 minus 5. Then here -1 bracket square is 1 minus 4 into -1 means -4 minus 5 equal to 1 minus 9 equal to -8. That is not RHS. Means x equal to -1 is not satisfied the given equation. Therefore, x equal to -1 is not root of equation. अशा प्रकारे आपण रूट्स आहे की नाही ते तुम्ही ठरवू शकता. 2.1 मधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 मधील मॅक्सिमम एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही या प्रकारे सॉल्व करू शकता. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. रणपीसे क्लास. यश हमखास.